Hello, this is Group 4. Our group members include Joshua, Samantha, Shayna, and Catherine. We will be discussing the differences between literature reviews and original research, particularly in our field of interest, natural and biological sciences. There are several components that are present in both types of papers. Organization is the largest theme among all of the articles reviewed. The articles are well organized and they all follow a basic pattern which includes the introduction, body, and conclusion. The reviews often include an untitled introduction and then have specifically titled sections using headings and subheadings. The original research articles, on the other hand, have no real expressive divisions. The organization is modeled after the scientific method, and the use of graphs, tables, and pictures allows the data that is being collected or analyzed more accessible to the reader. The introduction in both styles includes a great deal of secondary sources, which give background knowledge about the topic that is being studied. Once some general knowledge about the topic is established, the introduction establishes what the remainder of the article will focus on. The body of the articles varies slightly between the original research and the literature reviews, the main difference being the source of data that is presented. In the original research articles, the data is collected by the authors of the article, and the methods and materials are included in the description. The literature review reports on data that is being collected from other original articles. The literature review may include a section that describes the methods and materials that were used, but the authors are not personally collecting the data. The conclusion has the same intention in both types of articles, with the goal of analyzing the data that has been collected and reviewed. The conclusion usually attempts to analyze any flaws in the method of data collection, the author's interpretation of the data, and what else could be done to make the data more accurate or useful. The citations also varied between the two types of articles. The original research tended to stick to APA-style citation with the exception of some authors using numbered or MLA citations. The reviews use a multiple of citation approaches like MLA, endnotes and footnotes, science journal-style citations, or SAGE Harvard-style references. Both types of articles range in how in-text citations are utilized, whether it is within sentences or at the very end. The overall intention of original research and literature reviews is the same. They all contribute to the advancement of science with the goal of establishing a better understanding of the natural and biological sciences.